Hi, in this video, we will look at the following main character. Beijing is the capital city of China and has a lot of history. It is home to the largest palace in the world, the Forbidden City. The Forbidden City covers over 70 hectares with more than 8,700 rooms and 10-meter-high walls surrounding it. It is called the Forbidden City because back then, only people with a special permission from the emperor could enter. Now, it's a historical site, and it even had a Starbucks at one point. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts a large building with a roof. This is how the character looks today. Can you see the similarities with the ancient character? This character means high or large. It also means large city or capital of a nation. It is used in the name Beijing, which is the capital of China. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. The extra symbol that you see on the left is a simplified version, and it means ice. A large building with high ceilings and thick walls stays cool like ice. This character means cool. It is used in this word, 凉快, which means pleasantly cool. Let's see another character. This time, the character on the left means word. The words of a high-ranking official at a large building has the power to forgive or pardon someone. This character means forgive. It is used in this word, 原谅, which means excuse. Let's see the next one. Can you still see the main character? The character above the main character means sun. This character is depicting a sun that's shining over a building. This character means sunshine. It is used in this word, 风景, which means scenery or landscape. Here's the last one. From here, let's add the character for decoration. When the sun shines on tall buildings, it decorates the land with shadows. This character means shadow. What else casts images onto a surface by shining a light behind it? Photographs and movies. It is used in these words, 电影, which means movie, and 影响, which means influence. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one. Beijing is the capital city of China and has